vlog today. We're about to go for a walk in the park. This is another lockdown vlog, and yeah, we're just gonna eat some food. Thought I'd show you my outfit. These jeans are really cute. They fit really well. They're from Source Unknown, and then I also got a new bag from Peter and Jane. It's actually so roomy. I love it already. The top is 1 mile, and then I've got platform Converse on. Cute. Let's go. Now pose for the thumbnail. What do you guys think of this sculpture? What is it? Don't break it.
Alright, let's go home now. I'm very cold.
Okay. Hey guys, it's the next day. After we went on our picnic, we didn't do much. We just chilled on the couch, watched some Ozark. We're watching Ozark at the moment on Netflix. It's a really good show if you like Breaking Bad and all that kind of crime drama theme. You should definitely watch Ozark. This morning Fabian went to do a workout and I did some content. We're still in lockdown, so it feels weird to have I've got a hair in my mouth. It feels weird to have Fabian around all the time because normally he's at work during the day. But it's so good!
Yes, I'm very happy.
We're gonna cook some meal prep because last week we cooked a big batch of food to have for lunch so that we are having healthy lunch, because a lot of the time I just eat like snacks for lunch or I order Uber Eats, so we're making sure to put effort into cooking ahead so we can just heat up lunches. So that's what we're gonna do now. So the go-to meal that I make for meal prep is potatoes, sweet potato, veggies, and then chicken mince, which is under this rice. We had extra rice for the other dish, so Fabian put some in this, but the other dish is Fabian's brown rice, which is fried with veggies, and then delicious homemade teriyaki sauce on chicken tenders. That's my favorite. It's so yum. But yeah, success. Hey guys, it's the next day. The last thing I showed you was the meal prep, and I just think it's such a good idea to prep my lunches for the week. I tend to crave unhealthy stuff when it's like midday and I'm really hungry, so this kind of stops me from ordering Uber Eats and ordering McDonald's or KFC or something unhealthy to eat. So I had the teriyaki today and it was really yum. But I've just been doing content today, nothing too exciting, but I thought I'd show you the parcels that I got today. I got all these clothes and bits and pieces. I love when lots of parcels come at once. It feels like it's your birthday or Christmas or something. I'll try on everything with you guys because I haven't tried on anything yet. Let's do it! Alright, so I got this parcel from Finders and Keepers. They have some really cute, unique stuff. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted anything, and I saw this pink knit set, which I thought was really cute. And I know I don't need any more knit sets, but it's kind of my obsession right now during lockdown is to wear cute coordinated outfits that are really warm. It's winter here in Sydney, by the way, so actually some of the stuff is summer stuff, so there's a mixture of a warm and then cooler stuff. But yeah, it's a little tank top and then a cardigan. You could wear this open as well. I like the big buttons. So I'll just try on stuff. There's Glassons, Factory, there's some bags to show you. But yeah, next outfit. Next up we have this corset top in a really cool, I think it's called taupe, a nude color, and it's got a lace up back. It's really flattering. You can tie it really tight and it like makes your little boobs pop, and yeah, just like cinches you in. And it's got this like stiff, I don't even know what I'm saying, it's just a cool top. And then these really cool jeans. I love patterned jeans right now, and Glassons is a great place for them. They have a lot of colorful color block and swirly jeans like this. They're like slightly tight for me. They're fine when I'm standing, but I can't really bend much. Hopefully they stretch a bit more. But yeah, I just thought this was a really cool outfit together. Alright, we have another corset style top. This fits so nicely. It's really cute. It's got a stretchy back, so it's nice and comfy. And then this is the skirt version of the jeans I had on, so it's the same pattern. I'm 5'4" and I wouldn't wear it if it was any shorter, so I think if you're taller than 5'4", it might be a struggle wearing this skirt, but other than that, it's the perfect fit. And yeah, I think I'm gonna shoot photos in this outfit. Super cute and summery, even though it's freezing right now. Love it, love it. Okay, so I actually got this shirt a couple weeks back from Glassons, and I think it's so cute. I haven't done up the buttons, but it's got that strap. But then I saw that the matching skirt was online, so I thought that'd make a cool set. So that's also got like a tie detail, and then together it's like a really cute linen classy outfit. The skirt goes down to my feet, so it's not really midi, it's more of a maxi length. I'll go over here so you can see, like that. I also thought the skirt would be just a good basic for summer. You could pair it with any crop. I also got this in the black because I already had the black shirt, so I got the black skirt, so it looks like that, but I'm not going to try it on because I'm lazy. Also from Glassons, I got this orange crop, and it's got like a cross neckline. I had it on before, but it's really nice and stretchy, and I just love this color at the moment. And then I got another orange crop. This fits more like a bikini, like it's really small, but it's got that ring in the middle, and then just is a halter neck style. So that's everything I got from Glassons. I'm gonna try some things from Factory. From Factory, I really didn't need any more sweatshirts, like it's an actual problem, but I just really liked this color, the browns, you know I love the browns. The Factory sweatshirts I couldn't recommend enough. I have so many. They're really affordable and really good quality. They're also super oversized, so I would stick with your normal size or only go up one size. So I get size small in them, and they're really big on me. As I said, I've been loving orange. I'm waiting for an exciting delivery of orange Jordans. Actually, they're not Jordans, they're just Nikes. But I wanted an orange sweatshirt to match the new sneakers that I have coming. So I've already worn this. Super cool. And I have another set and some jeans to try on, so I'll try them on now. Alright, so we have this brownie nude set. These pants are really oversized, which I like, but like maybe there's a bit too much happening. I stayed to my usual size, an extra small. And they're just very baggy, but they do fit around the waist. It's just like maybe they're not the most flattering. This tank top's really good quality. It's that cute ribbed material. Very cool, I think, with my Mocha Jordans and like a cool little bag. Might take a photo in this one. These jeans are too small. I can't. Oh, they're alright, it's just the waist is a bit tight. I do like them, but I probably won't be keeping them. I like the rips and everything and the colour, but I never grab jeans that I know are not comfortable and are too tight, so there's no point keeping, you know, uncomfortable jeans. So these are a no. Sorry. I honestly didn't need any more loungewear, but here we are. I'm not sure about this set. Is it a yay or a nay? This is a corduroy loungewear set, which I thought was really cool. And obviously I got the brown. It's got the white fox. This is from White Fox Boutique. It's got the little logo there. I like the pants. The jumper's like, it's not fleecy on the inside, so it's not super warm and as comfy as like the other sweatshirts I showed you. More of a thinner material. I just wish it was more fleecy on the inside. Max Media Lab randomly sent me this perfume. It was a nice little surprise today. The packaging is stunning. It's the brand Guess, and it's called Bella Vita. It smells so good. I'm wearing it right now. So yeah, that was a cute little parcel I got today as well. I love Peter and Jane. They do accessories and mainly bags. I have a lot of their bags and I've worked a lot with them in the past. But they sent me this one. You might have seen me wearing the black version on my Instagram, but it's a long strap shoulder bag. The strap's adjustable too, which is cool. They also sent me this little brown vegan leather shoulder bag. I really wanted like a plain white shoulder bag, so this is beautiful. It's got that croc pattern on the leather. Let me know if you like when I show the parcels that I get. I don't want to come off as if I'm showing off or anything. So yeah, let me know if you like to see the stuff I get, or you'd rather just do normal lifestyle stuff, curl stuff. Alright, I will end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot. Your support means the world to me. I hope you're all doing okay during this weird, crazy, tough time, especially to everyone in Australia. with the lockdowns happening. We're in this together. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.